Did you know all senior executives share a common trait? A recent article in MIT's Sloan Management Review highlights that trait. Hi, I'm Greg Kaiser with Management Mastery. Managers are thinking about how AI will affect their careers. What can managers do that AI will never be able to do? The article I mentioned explains why all senior managers collaborate. Collaboration skill is one of the most important criteria for landing a senior management role. AI can't work collaboratively. Real people collaborate. Here are the three types of management. Starting now, keep an eye on the three types of management. Write down how the three types are complementary. That understanding will mark you as somebody who gets the big picture. Management Mastery's YouTube channel has a 10-minute video that goes deeper into this topic. Come on over and check it out.